Good morning, students. Now I'm going to start your English class, so take out your book and turn on page number 134. 134. Today our topic is A and An. Article A and An. What are A and An? A and An are called article. Okay. And the meaning of A and An is 1. Okay, the meaning of A and An are same. What is the meaning of A? 1 and An also 1. Okay, so today we will learn the use of A and N. Use of A and N. So you know A or N means 1. They are used for one person, as their meaning is 1, so they are used for one person or one animal or one thing. A is used before the words which start with a consonant or consonant sound like boy, kite. This look at this word boy, the starting letter is B and B is a consonant, that's why here use A. In this way, kite starting letter K, so K is consonant, that's why here use A. Okay, in this way we will use A and N. Now N, you know the consonant, we have 5 vowel. Apart vowel, all letters are called consonant, isn't it? You know all this, I know. Next, N is used before the words which start with a vowel or vowel sound like, see the word and. So, starting letter A. A is a vowel, that's why here we use N, not A. Okay. Apple, in this word, first letter A. A is a vowel, that's why we use here N. Okay, this is very simple, right? So let's proceed. Now here you can see some words and use of A or N. First we will read out the words. Okay, after that we have to understand the first letter of each word. Okay, so if the letter beginning letter is consonant, then we will use a before the word. If the starting letter vowel of word, then we will N before the word. Understand? I think you better understand. Okay, so let's read first word. First you look at the word. Okay, girl. Okay, GIRL. So what is the starting letter? G. G is a vowel or consonant? Obviously it's a consonant, that's why A is here. Okay, next, horse. HORAC, starting letter H, consonant, that's why here we use A or A. Okay, egg. EGG, starting letter E is a what? E is a vowel, that's why AN here. Okay, and igloo, starting letter I is a vowel, that's why here use AN. Okay, an igloo. Next word, bird. BIRD, what is the starting letter? This is consonant B, that's why a bird. Okay, pencil, starting letter P is a consonant, that's why a pencil. B-A-T, bat. This is also consonant B. That's why B-A-T, bat. Next word, ant. A-N-T, ant. A is a vowel. That's why here we use A-N, an. Okay, an ant. This is very simple. So in this way, we have to learn this chapter. Okay. So today I am ending here. You will read this page or read this chapter several times very well. This is a very easy and very simple. Okay. Next day we will do an exercise. Okay. Thank you very much.